You surely know these two, PNOZmulti and PNOZmulti 2, the configurable control systems when several safety functions are to be implemented on a machine. Mr. In Charge knows PNOZmulti 2. He's a mechanical engineer and responsible for the safety of the plant at his company. At the moment, he's faced with the challenge of equipping a machine with a simple-to-use safety system. First, for a machine here in Germany, and then later, Mr. In Charge's machine is to be sold in other countries as well. For Mr. In Charge, the solution is obvious: the tried-and-true PNOZmulti from Pilz. It has several advantages. For instance, it can communicate across all usual communication networks. This is especially important for the international use of the machine, and it implies a high degree of flexibility for Mr. In Charge. Plus, he can set up his safety architecture independently of the standard PLC. This flexibility applies to the diagnosis as well. Error messages can be displayed via the OPC server on the plant operating panel or directly on the PNOZmulti 2 illuminated text display, and are then available in assorted languages. This is really practical for customers abroad, thinks Mr. In Charge. In addition, the professional diagnosis naturally leads to reduced machine downtime. Everybody can stay productive. Creating the security functions is as easy as play with the PNOZmulti configurator. Look, Mr. In Charge, at how clear the software is. Simply select the functions from the library and put them together. Wired, just using the mouse. Mr. In Charge doesn't need to program them himself, and he doesn't need to worry about liability, because the building blocks of the PNOZmulti configurator are TÜV tested and certified. No matter what type of plant or machine is involved, thanks to its modularity, PNOZmulti is the right solution for every need, from safe speed monitoring and connecting decentralized periphery modules to safe monitoring of presses. Mr. In Charge is very satisfied. He ensures equipment safety internationally, and PNOZmulti gives him a feeling of safeness. With the configurable control systems PNOZmulti, Pilz delivers the worldwide safety standard no matter what country, industry, machine, or plant type.